Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to clean my fridge and pantry. I don't clean both the places much often. As you see, my fridge is in pretty bad condition. Many food are spoiled and it needs to be wiped down very well. Also, some organization is needed. But the pantry is in pretty good condition, well maintained. I'm proud of myself for that. But it has not been deep cleaned since I moved in 2 years back to this house. So what I want to do is take out everything from fridge, also in the pantry, and give it a good wipe and throw away stuff which is like spoiled and organize a little bit better. So what I am showing here is bamboo deodorizer which I got for my fridge. My fridge was smelling always really bad, so I wanted to try something out. So I got this from Amazon, which is really good. It maintains my fridge stink free. I will add the link in the description. So I wanted to start deep clean and declutter my entire house, and the first step towards that is fridge and the pantry. The reason I am starting this is for Pongal festival. First of all, happy Pongal to whoever celebrates it, and the people who doesn't know about this festival. Pongal is an Indian harvest festival which has been celebrated throughout India with different names. And Pongal has been celebrated for 3 days. The first day is to declutter and deep clean the entire house and throw away the old stuff to welcome the new beginning. And second day is thanking Lord Sun. And third day is thanking all the cattle to help for all the help they provided in agriculture, also the dairy products and fertilizers, etc. So I started to declutter and deep clean my entire house little by little instead of doing everything in a day or so. And I don't want to overwhelm and exhaust myself. I will create a new playlist and add all my decluttering and deep cleaning videos to that. And I'm hoping I will give you tons of motivation for you to declutter and deep clean your house. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button to get notified for my next video. Back to this video, what I was struggling with this rack is like it's not coming out. Also, I am not able to take out the glass separately. There is like spills and dust in between the glass and the plastic, the white color one. I'm not able to take that out and clean that also, so that's what I was struggling with. But at the same time, I don't want to break that stuff, so I just left it as such. Also, I'm just wiping the fridge with the Mrs. Mayer multi-purpose cleaner. I am not using anything special. As you saw, like I'm just removing all the shelves whichever I am able to take it out, and I'm just giving a good scrub using my dish soap and the dish scrubber. Containers I am using inside the fridge, everything I got it from Marshall's 2 years back. As you saw, this big container is for $7 and the small containers is for, I think the pack of 4 is for $10 or so. I really like this because it's clear, also it's good quality. The way I organize is like I am putting all the condiments in one basket, and all the maple syrup, jam, those kind of things in another container.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less, a little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all
I missed the film cleaning and organizing this drawer, but this is the aftershot of that. I am using a V-Man stainless steel cleaner and polisher, which is really good, which makes the stainless steel super shiny and leaves no fingerprints. I highly recommend, and I will add it in description.
few late nights, 'cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moment.
When I declutter and deep clean, I don't take out everything and then start to organize and then clean the entire place and put it back. I just do it like little by little, because taking out everything overwhelm me. So if you have noticed, like even for fridge and for pantry, I am doing like shelf by shelf, which is like more easier for me. This rectangular storage container, I got it from Walmart, which I love so much, because it doesn't take so much space. It's like very optimized, and also like it's big enough for most of my stuff. Also, the can organizer which you see at the top of my pantry is from Amazon, which is okay. I don't have so much can for me to have that organizer, but just that I bought it, I'm just keeping it, which works fine for me. Nothing to complain about. I will add everything in the description for you guys, but I highly recommend this rectangular box container again. And the next thing you see is the Lazy Susan, which I got it from Amazon again, which I like it so much. This is little bigger one, so I got it for all the peanut butter and stuff.
A little less. Searching for the moment I'm a little less 20. A little less 25. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
This white plastic bag is full of Halloween candy, which I hid from my kid in the top of the pantry and eventually forgot. I will be donating that soon. Also, the small containers that you are seeing for the snacks, I got it from Amazon. This is not very expensive like OXO brand, but the quality wise this is like pretty good enough for me. I will add the link for this too in the description.
I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. I need it. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
Why I'm keeping this Madras lentils in the snacks area is like my kid love it. So if he sees that first, he will eat that instead of other unhealthy snacks. That's the reason.
All that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive.
I am not yet ready to get some fancy labeling to make my pantry Pinterest worth. I just use the permanent marker and write it on top of the container, and of course my handwriting is not so good, but good enough for me. Also, like I can just wipe it out easily if I change the item inside that storage container. And this container also I got it from Walmart along with that rectangular container. I use it for the bulk items like the rice, flour, etc. I like this too. The quality wise is also really good.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights, cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less.
Another item which I strongly recommend is this sealer, which I got it from Amazon. I used to seal everything after I open it and pour it in the respective container. The extra stuff I seal it with this one. First thing is like it keeps the items food fresh, and also the next main thing is like the spill proof, right? So as you see, like this mustard seed package, I just sealing it with this sealer, and as you see, like nothing is getting spilled, which makes the life so much easier.
I need it. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
As you see, the entire garbage bag got filled just from the pantry and the fridge.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25.
That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and got all the motivation and started decluttering your house. Now have fun with before and after clicks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.
Missing little moments, it was